on behalf of the directors of graduate programs at UIN Ar-Raniry Banda Aceh, I am Tengku Zulfikar, the Deputy Directors of Graduate Program of UIN Ar-Raniry Banda Aceh. Would like to welcome all the scholars from UIN Ar-Raniry and also from outside of UIN Ar-Raniry to our conference, which is the International Conference on Islamic Civilizations. For your knowledge, this year in 2022, we, the graduate program of UIN Ar-Raniry Banda Aceh, would like to run another conference, another international conference, annually conference, what we call it as International Conference on Islamic Civilizations. And our today's big theme is on religiosity, technological advancement and social changes. This issue is very important to discuss in the international level and also national level, because at the moment most of the educations that we are running, we use technology, and also we are facing the social changes because of technology. So for that reason, I would like to invite all scholars from different backgrounds, from social studies, educations, and also cultural and religious studies to submit their very good papers, the best papers in our conference. And inshallah, we'll see you on October 2002 on 27 and 28 next month.